ladies and gentlemen, this is Azza and Arrest Auto. Today I'll be working on a 2013 GMC Tarrain. Normally you require 2 length keys to program a spare key. What happened is that this key got broken. As it got broken, the owner got another key, so I just cut this key and I want to program it. First of all, I will use without using a programming machine. Let's see if I can have it programmed. If it will not allow me, then I will use the programming machine to do that. Since this one is broken, I will simply use the screwdriver and this to open the key. So please stay tuned and watch to the end. Yeah. Yes. So now I will try and see to do that and do this and see. This is Canada model. I don't know, require 2 keys, but this is 1 key. Let me give it a try.
They hadn't had sex in the last check. From a recent new issue survey with 1/3 of young adult males and females said they hadn't had sex in the last 3 months, 25% for men and 31% for women. In 2013 and 2015, 20%
the immobilizer light is still showing, so maybe it didn't work.
Demographic reported being virgin.
We'll start again. So I'll try to open it and ensure that the immobilizer light goes off. As you can see, the immobilizer light has gone off. Let's see. Take it off. Put this one on. When the key got stuck, I will now discover that the ignition lock is bad. So we have to take out the ignition lock. We're trying to fix a new ignition lock. So once we fix the ignition lock, we'll program the key so that the car could start. So we are fixing the ignition lock. The new one that has been replaced, it was got used. It also came with its own key. With this key. This is the key that I recently got that I wanted to use before, that when I'm doing the programming process it got stuck. So this is the key that came with the new ignition lock and I put it inside. Meanwhile, there was a faulty key that got broken. So to save me time to program, I just decided to take a shortcut. This is the key that got broken. This is the one that caught initially, but in the process of programming it, the ignition has got stuck. I bought a used ignition lock and there's a key that came with it. So to save me the programming time, I'm simply going to take out the transponder chip here that is already programmed to the car that is working and put it here. So with that, I can just insert the key into the car, then it will work.
Okay. Make I come back.
No, I don't record. The chip Okay. This is the transponder is soldered on board. This is the one that is working. So the one that is programmed to the system. There's the other one that is not. So this with this.
I think say won't use the casing wey dey okay.
So I finished swapping the content of the key. So with this, we now have the content of this as the swap with this that come with the ignition lock. So with this, you'll be able to start the car. The mobilizer light went out. So it started.